Hi, I'm Shelly Hester, Director of Global Research and Development for PharmNex, and I led the creation of all three of our game-changing TRMe GO products, including TRMe GO Recovery Plus. I love to exercise, but the exhaustion and even damage it can cause to your body's joints and muscles is hardly my favorite. Fortunately, we have the science to help address those post-workout lows. That's what Recovery Plus is all about. Each serving of our specially formulated post-workout product is clean, safe, and effective. Plus, it's backed by real science. NuSkin commissioned a clinical study to measure the efficacy of using our three TRMe GO products together. And from this study, researchers confirm that when taken together, our TRMe GO products can support increases in strength when taken before and after resistance and aerobic exercise. It's thanks to the incredible ingredients we've included in each product. In Recovery Plus, we have our GO Recovery blend. This proprietary vegetarian-friendly blend of glucosamine and special balanced release low glycemic carbs supports joint health and recovery from exercise. Meanwhile, additional fast-acting carbs help replenish glycogen levels after exercise. The key electrolytes sodium, chloride, potassium, calcium, and magnesium we included. These are nutrients that are often lost via sweat, so it's important to replenish your body's stock after each workout. And then there's vitamin C, D3, and E. When combined with the premium protein found in TRMe GO Protein Plus, even helps support your efforts to repair muscle. It's the perfect blend of complete recovery nutrients, naturally colored, flavored, sweetened, and made with zero preservatives. Made with NuSkin's exclusive 6S process to maintain the highest quality and safety standards through every stage of development and manufacturing. Use Recovery Plus to stay more comfortable and energetic after any workout, and combine it with our complete TRMe GO system to give your body all the fitness nutrition it needs to help you hit your exercise goals.